Hummingbird Spell Bee, Class 4, 2022 question paper. Question 60 times 60 minutes. First letter. Fill in the blank with the proper word which has the same relationship. Here, the meaning of devastated is giving as ruin, which is destroy. Similarly, the meaning of annoying should come, which is annoyance. Option D, ANNOYANCE. Here, another annoyance is given in option B, which is misspelled. Second question. Dash is to humiliated, whereas angry is to delighted. Here, the opposite of angry is given as delighted, which means joy. So, the opposite of humiliated should come, which is embarrassed. EMBARRASSED, which is given in option C. Here, another embarrassed is given in option D, which is misspelled. Third question. Dash is to snake, whereas loafer is to shoe. Here, loafer is a type of shoe which will be brown in color. Here, similarly, moccasin is a type of snake. MOCCASSIN, moccasin, which is given in option B. Here, MOCASIN is given in option D, which is wrong, which is misspelled. Fourth question. Dash is to maiden, whereas seraphim is to angel. Here, seraphim is a type of angel. Similarly, nymph is a mythological spirit which is imagined as beautiful maiden. So, nymph, NYMPH, which is given in option D. Here, another nymph is given in option C, which is misspelled. Fifth question. Dash is to onion, whereas scallop is to mollusk. Here, mollusk is a snail which has shell as its outer covering. Similarly, shallot is a vegetable, whereas onion is also a vegetable. Spelling is SHALLOT, shallot, which is in option B. Here, another shallot is given in option A, which is misspelled. Second Roman letter. Below the puzzle grid is a list of incomplete words. Place the letters in the correct place on the grid using below mentioned hints and answer the following questions. Hints are given. Feeling nausea. When will we get nausea? When we are afraid of something or when we are anxious. Marked by extreme anger means furious, angry. Make a historical record means achieve. An often persistent bodily disease means illness or ailment. A complete of concurrent things means repeat. Sixth question. Which one of the following is the antonym of the word used in one? Here, the word used in one is anxious. The opposite of anxious is desirous. DESIROUS, which is given in option A. Here, another desirous is given in option B, which is misspelled. Seventh question. Fill in the blanks. Use hint number 2. Here, the word used in hint number 2 is furious. So, a furious battle. FURIOUS, which is given in option A. Here, another furious is given in option D. FUROIUS, which is misspelled. So, it is wrong. Eighth question. Which one of the following is the synonym of the word used in 3? Here, the word used in 3 is historical record, which is archive. So, the spelling is ARCHIEVE, which is given in option C is correct. Here, another archive is given in option B, which is misspelled. Ninth question. Which one of the following in 4 is the correct spelled 7-length word? Here, the word given in hint 4 is concurrent persistent bodily disease, ailment. So, AILMENT, which is given in option D is correct. Here, another spelling AELMENT is given in option B, which is wrong, which is misspelled. 10th question. Fill in the blanks. Use hint number 5. What is hint number 5? A complex of concurrent things is a repeat or syndrome. Every word has a dash of meaning. Every word has a syndrome of meaning. SYNDROME is the correct spelling. That means each word has a different meaning. That is the meaning of this sentence. Here SYNDRAME given in option A is misspelled. SYMTROME given in option C is misspelled. SYNPROME given in option D is also misspelled. So syndrome given in option B is correct. Thanks for watching.